Hi and welcome back. In this tutorial we'll be installing another free PCB design software tool called KiCad. This one you've probably heard of a lot, so we're gonna go ahead and go to it. We're gonna download, and we're gonna download for Windows, and it's a 64-bit. Ooh. Download version. Okay, we're gonna do GitHub. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and open the folder and double click. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and let it for anybody that uses this computer. That's fine. You can set it just for your own user profile. Go ahead and install. Let's see. Library schematics. Help files in PDF format. Okay, so if this is your first time, you don't really know PCB layout at all, I recommend selecting help files and then the language you need. Help files are always useful. You can always add them later. Most downloads allow you to add them later. We're going to use the default location again. Oh, it uses Visual Studios. So that pop-up was just making sure that you have a certain version of Visual Studios installed. If you do not, it should tell you or redirect you to a link that allows you to download it. I recommend downloading it. A lot of programs run off of Visual Studios codes. Alright, we're going to go ahead and finish. And let's see if it made a... Yeah, I made a shortcut. We're going to go ahead and do default settings because I don't have it installed. I say no to that. Plugins. Yes. Alright. Ooh, I like how the layout is on this one. Alright, and that is how you install KiCad.